Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you my Halloween decor and some DIYs. Basically everything you see here is either from Target, the Dollar Tree, or TJ Maxx. Now the bouquet of roses is from my daughter's cheer qualifier, and for Halloween I decided to just arrange it and let it die.
Four teams are moving forward. 4 teams. Our first team moving forward is...
Yep, we qualified for the competition. I'm so proud of my daughter and how hard she's worked this year. She has been able to go from not knowing how to cheer at all to being able to complete cartwheels and a split. I found the iridescent vase about a year ago at the Goodwill for only a couple dollars. I absolutely love this color combination of roses, and I thought it was just so stunning the whole time as it slowly died. I found these bats at the Target dollar spot, and I've just hot glued them to the wall. And this is my new home sign that I have recently made, and I just love it. I found it for $2.99 at the 99-cent store, and I noticed that the O looks kind of weird and oversized, so I figured it would be perfect to become one of those seasonal signs that changes, and the O changes out to be the seasonal decoration. So for now I'm just going to paint them a solid white, and if I decide later to paint them a different color, then I will go ahead and do that. And this is a little ghost I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to paint it white like the rest of the sign to replace the O for a spooky Halloween home sign. So this total combination cost me $4. Now I found this at Walmart. It is called a snow white waffle plant, and it is beautiful and purple, and the leaves are all crinkly, and it is just so lovely. And I decided to break it apart. A lot of people don't know, but when you buy plants at a nursery, they're usually several smaller single plants that have been grouped together in a pot to make it look more lush. So sometimes you can go ahead and split up those separate plants and use them in various ways without having to actually buy more plants. And then I just placed it in these skull pots I found at the 99-cent store. And this is a $1.99 succulent I found at the 99-cent store as well. The 99-cent store carries these giant foil balloons. I think I paid $2 or $3 for this orange foil beware, and it is just amazing in the space. I have a combination of real and fake pumpkins. We are lucky enough to live in a nice area that has a lot of different pumpkin patch options, and this is one of our favorites. It's always so beautiful for pictures and just photography in general. A nice good family photo, nice Christmas card. Every year my son loves picking gourds instead of pumpkins, and this is the first year that he has actually picked pumpkins. He is so excited for Halloween and so into it. He is that perfect age where all of the holidays are so much fun. So here is our pumpkin haul, and there was a little plant down here I'm about to show you how I made. I started with some coffee filters in the bottom to help keep the soil from falling through the small holes in the pot. I put a little soil in, and then I used some of the leftover Snow White waffle plant and some of this succulent my mom has cut from a plant in her garden, and they're all purples, and that is exactly what I wanted in this pot. So I will put them all in, put them together, and then set them into this tin that I got from the 99-cent store, and it's a perfect fall porch into winter porch decoration.
I can reach it here. I got one. I got it.
You got it?
One.
Take them all.
We had a pumpkin carving party, and we dressed up in costumes, emptied out the pumpkins and carved them, and then we had some candy afterwards. Now this year my daughter wanted to be a rainbow unicorn, so I found these leggings and matching long sleeve shirt at Target. Both of them were under $15, and they have a sparkle glitter in the fabric. Then I just got some yarn. This is a bow I found on clearance at TJ Maxx. She loves JoJo, so it was perfect, and rainbow. Then I stretched out all the yarn to make a tail, and I made sure to at least include enough yarn to go through all of the colors in the mixed color yarn that I have to get the rainbow effect. If you're only doing one color, you probably don't need to use as much as I did, or if you want a thicker tail, go ahead and do more, but you basically just want to make it as long as the length of the tail you want. Because I looped mine around, I'm going to have to cut the loops on one side of the tail. Now I just take a hair tie and twist it a couple times around the middle of the tail. Next, I'm just going to take a second hair tie and leave a little bit of space and wrap it around the center again, and this will give you your tail shape. And then I take a dog brush and you just brush until you get it all straightened out, and it'll look something like this at the end. Evelyn was at school when I finished this, and I wanted to see how it looked, so it's a little long for him, but the overall effect I was very happy with. I found the horn for either $1 or $2 at Walmart, and it's basically just a horn with a little bit of elastic on it to wear kind of like a party hat, and then she just has a rainbow glitter makeup on. He obviously changed his mind about the Mario costume, and we had to last minute buy him a Paw Patrol Marshall costume. I just drew some spots and a dog nose on him with my liquid eyeliner. So a huge tip when you are using store-bought costumes is make sure you hit it with your clothes steamer or steam it with an iron, just to get all of those wrinkles out of it from being stuffed in those little plastic bags.